For the most part, the very young have been spared the devastating effects of COVID-19, but there are tragic exceptions. And in the United States, COVID is blamed for hundreds of deaths of children under the age of 5, an age category that's not currently eligible for vaccines. That's likely to change very soon, based on clinical trials by the pharmaceutical giant Pfizer, which included 3 doses administered to almost 1,700 recipients over several months. In a statement, Pfizer says, "Our formulation for the youngest children, which we carefully selected to be 1/10 of the dose strength for adults, was well tolerated and produced a strong immune response." Pfizer and its partner, BioNtech, plan to take their findings to U.S. regulators this week, claiming the new vaccine is 80% effective.
The risks are minute. The benefits might be small, given the fact that the pandemic is waning to some extent, and the threat posed to children is somewhat small compared to adults. But comparing the two, vaccine absolutely outweighs the risk.
Epidemiologist Rewat Deonandan believes the vaccine will also remove the fear factor for parents of very young children. Parents like him.
For my kid, for example, is going to daycare in September. I'm pretty confident now that he'll have some strong immunity when he goes to daycare in the fall. That's exciting.
If approved by government regulators, the vaccine will fill a big gap. Out of 85 million doses administered in Canada, vaccination coverage is highest in adults aged 60 and older at almost 94% fully vaccinated. Canadians between 12 and 60 are also well protected in the mid to high 80s. There's a big drop to 42% for younger children. The under 5 category is virtually empty, with no approved vaccine more than 2 years after the pandemic started. Regulatory approval could come within days, adding to Pfizer's nearly $37 billion in COVID vaccine sales and adding another layer of safety as the pandemic drags on. Ross Lord, Global News.